Welcome to another inspiration and education video, a series featuring a breakdown of our Duets by Gemini line of engraving sheet stock. Just as there are multiple ways to use these substrates, you may have heard of them referred to in various ways such as modified acrylic or plastic. Today's episode we're featuring the Duets Contours line. Just as the name implies, this line is intended to be flexible and work with the contour of those uniquely shaped items. The bulk of finishes in this line have the look of metal and are perfect for things such as trophy plates, plaques, labels, and interior signage. All of the color and finish choices come with an option of having adhesive already applied to the back or not, depending on your project. When you are wanting to order Duets Contours with adhesive, look for the A1 at the end of the SKU. Using a sheet with 3M adhesive already on the back eliminates having to go through the process of shear cutting plates, lasering them, applying adhesive or nail holes, and then applying. I can simply lay out all my trophy plates needed for my project, vector cut in my laser, engrave the winners, and peel and stick to my trophy base. This combining efficiency and visual appeal all in one. Here I have used a non-adhesive sheet for a gavel band. The flexibility and durability of the material gives me a sharp look and is so easy to apply. The ability to cut custom shapes with your CO2 laser makes it easy to turn that standard rectangle plaque into a custom work of art. Here I've combined one of our custom state plaques with the Duets Contours. I used our laser to cut out the outline of the state and use that as my plate to personalize. Build up your signage game today and add that next dimension or curve to your offerings. For more information about Duets Contours, check us out online or give us a call today and make your mark.